We're here with reporting to hold the powerful accountable as we rebound Tampa Bay.
ABC Action News is committed to providing you with the information you need as Florida rebounds. We're also holding the powerful accountable during this pandemic.
And new tonight, after thousands of infections and hundreds of deaths, Florida's long-term care facilities are asking for legal immunity when it comes to treating COVID-19 patients.
But I-Team investigator Adam Walser uncovered infection control issues at local nursing homes happening long before the current pandemic ever started.
Scenes like these have become all too common in Florida. Seniors wheeled from nursing homes on stretchers. So many residents infected with COVID-19, the governor deployed the National Guard. 30% of the state's COVID-19 deaths have come from long-term care facilities. In Pinellas, Manatee, and Sarasota counties, the percentage of COVID-19 deaths attributed to long-term care are even higher.
My mom was an awesome lady, and we're all going to miss her.
98-year-old Donna Mortensen was one of the residents of Seminole Pavilion Rehabilitation who died of COVID-19.
Having to make arrangements and write her obituary and things like that. It's been very difficult.
Donna's son Rick says the nursing home provided limited information to families in the beginning.
The person that was calling me said, well, I didn't know we don't know who's been told and who hasn't. So I kind of wondered at that point if there was more than one case.
After weeks of pressure from media outlets across the state, including ABC Action News, Florida's governor last week released the number of cases and deaths in long-term care facilities.
They need to inform all staff, all residents, and all families. That is required to do. So if they're not doing it, they're not following the regulations.
Mortensen learned his mother was one of more than a dozen COVID-19 deaths from her nursing home, where more than 50 residents and 30-plus staff have tested positive. A spokesman for Seminole Pavilion Rehabilitation told the I-Team the nursing home follows all guidance from federal, state, and local health officials and currently provides daily briefings on positive cases and measures to contain the virus. The Florida Healthcare Association, which represents almost 600 long-term care facilities, is defending the industry.
I think that we're doing a good job. The natural progression of this virus is it does have, once it spreads quickly.
Last month, the association sent this letter to Governor DeSantis, asking for immunity from lawsuits and criminal prosecution related to COVID-19 cases in long-term care facilities. But the I-Team uncovered 77% of Tampa Bay area nursing homes with COVID-19 cases have been flagged within the past 3 years by inspectors for infection control deficiencies, including multiple cases of lice and treatment of a MRSA patient without proper personal protective equipment. Attorney Kim Cohn specializes in nursing home negligence cases.
And I don't think we should have limitations and protections to nursing homes who aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing. And protecting these vulnerable residents and, giving them a pass.
State records show the Florida Healthcare Association currently has 28 registered lobbyists and spent more than $1.5 million on lobbying lawmakers over the past 3 years. The association would likely need a new law to get immunity. The state Senator Gary Farmer says that's not something he supports for Florida's facilities.
We're seeing that they're not providing necessary supplies and protective equipment to their staff.
Farmer says a pandemic should not exempt long-term care facilities of their responsibilities.
They are the last line of defense. They are the ones who are supposed to be protecting our elderly family members. And if they're not doing it, they need to be held accountable.
You can check out the number of cases and deaths at each facility by going to our website. Simply log on to abcactionnews.com, where we have a map showing all the assisted living facilities and nursing homes in Florida which have documented COVID-19 cases. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.